Boom, I'm back. I gotta get wet, hold on. Kinda hot. Kind of very hot, kind of roasting here now. Gonna need to get wet a few times. It's like 30 degrees and more. I think it's more than 30 degrees. I feel it's more than 30 with the sun. Woo. But that's good. You know, winter is gonna be here soon enough. So enjoy the positive vibration. It's positive. The sun always gives us positive energy. Always. Sun and blue sky, it's very positive. We all live it. We all get more energized, more present than when it's cloudy and rainy, and then we get a bit more down. And so maybe if we generate more positive vibration, if we find a sense for the whole, c'est de trouver un sens pour l'ensemble. You know, we all have to find our way back home eventually. Yeah, back home for me is back to my natural alignment, not the default state. The default state is can consume your whole life. You gotta be careful with that default state. Don't fall in it too often. You're gonna fall back in it. You're gonna fall back. Sometimes you gotta have moments of dormancy until you're completely awake. You're gonna have moments of dormancy. I think it's maybe we're meant also to not I'm gonna sit in the shade a bit. Kind of roasting. It's not really shade. Woo! Very hot. But it's beautiful. Beautiful. That's my spot. Very cool place here. I love it. Like I come on the side of the river, I'm always pretty much alone. I can meditate in peace. It's a meditation session here. That's what I said. You know, we all have our ways of meditation. We all have our own ways of meditating. I think it's either listening to music, coming here, reflecting. Reflection's very good. Anyway, me, it makes me grow. Makes me grow, makes me expand, makes me change, makes me see life from another perspective. Which I think we all need that at one point, is to stop. It's to move out that default state, move out the programming, and design our own life of greatness. Our dream life. Traveling. I don't know much people who doesn't want to travel. Like if you are... there might be people that don't like to travel. There could be some. Some people like to stay stationary. It's not my thing. I think I'm gonna go in the falls after. Take off my shirt, I'm gonna go swim, get wet in the falls. Like I did the other day over there. And you guys like the nature vibes video? Well, I'm gonna give you another one after. I'll go there, I'll put my camera there on the falls there, and I'll just let it run. I have to find a place, a good stream where we have a good sound of water, and I'll just let the camera run. Like here. But here we have the falls in the background. There you go, I could put it there. Right here would be perfect. On that rock. That's what I'm gonna do, or over there. Yeah, we'll have more nature vibes. It's very inspiring too, those videos. Me, I like it. You know, it attracts me more and more here. it attracts me here to do more videos, and eventually we'll find more other nature spot. But so far, there's still a lot of place around here where I can put down the camera and enjoy the vibes. Like, it's great vibes. And we'll put it there after. It's nice. So that's it. It's about action. It's about action and not letting ourselves, not let the system blow our mind. You know, it's a system that is there to blow our minds, and at first it's there to blow our mind, to put us numb to reality, so we get oblivious. We follow the program. We do what they want. We do what they want. We don't question too much. We don't speak out. We don't motivate. We don't be motivated for life. You know, just a little subtle ride, and nothing more, nothing less. Often that's what the default state is accepting, victimizing yourself. You know, if you victimize yourself, you're in the default state. Don't be a victim. Don't be a victim. Put your head up. Put your head up and put your boots, put your Gideon boots on. Put your working boots on and do the work. Do the work. We need more soldier, for sure. Oh, here too, it's nice. Oh, here too is a nice spot. Got a nice sound of water. And you gotta find a nice stream. That's all there is here. But I think here it's good. Here or down there. I'm gonna find another spot. Anyway, I'll be back with a little nature vibe video. So we stay our feet on the ground, grounded to nature. Very important. Keep our 2 feet on the ground, our head up high, put our working boots on, and do the work. Here it's good. Yeah, here it's good. You know, over there maybe. Yeah, maybe more over here. Okay, so let me explore the possibilities, and I'll be back.